how to change your payment method on Yelp. Hello friends, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, you will learn how you can change your payment method on Yelp. And here is how to go about it. To change your payment method on Yelp, you would have to be a business owner. Okay, so let's get right into it. The first step is to sign in into your Yelp account, just like I have done here, and then navigate to the top part of the screen, click on Yelp for Business, and then log in into your business account. If you do not have a business account on Yelp, click on Add a Business or click on Claim Your Business, whichever one of your choice. Now, once you're on your business account, once you've created an account and you're logged in into your Yelp business account, you'll be taken to the home page. On the page, move to the payment method and settings section. You'll see this section on your page. Ensure you click on payment method and settings section. There, you can manage your payment preferences. And then on this page, look for the option to update the credit card you use for paying for your advertising programs. Follow the prompts on the screen to enter the new credit card balance. And then once you've done that, verify the address for your payment checks by ensuring that your address is accurate, and then you can also update the address where payment checks are sent. All right, it's that simple. Just log in into your business account, click on the payment method and settings section, and then go ahead and update your credit card. And just like that, you are good to go. Remember to keep your payment information up to date to ensure smooth transactions and uninterrupted advertising services. So this is how it works, okay? Thanks for watching and have a good day.